We, besides making jewelry for years together, more than 72,000, this time we are entirely on a new concept. We have got the flower concept inspired by the flower peony, and we would like to we have developed the complete range of jewelry for everybody's liking. It's a Chinese flower and three-piece set, and as well as the necklace sets we have developed, which is ranging in between 1,10,000 to almost 3 up to 4 lakhs. The idea is to serve this particular item by it has been designed by our master craftsmen and renowned for their attention to detail. This integrated craftsmanship and the finest diamonds come together to create a collection as delicate, as exquisite as flowers that inspired it, and perfect to enhance the beauty of the wearer and the desert onlookers. Peony collections, we have got almost the full range. In other words, necklaces, pendants, earrings, and peony launching because we used to make many jewelries traditionally in the past, and this time we have made something new, which can also it will be a trendsetter. So in the future, this type of small collection, everyone would like to wear as a student, as a professional, as a housewife, and that is going to be something very great. Thank you.